siya. Labi na gid sa mga allocations sa budget towards sa road constructions, sa flood control. Ang flood control ang pinakasikat sa tanan, and etc. It was really disheartening lang to look at nga amo na gali ang reality nga miski bala harap-harapan na ara ng ebidensya, but then there are still a few voters nga ignorante. Actually, the problem doesn't come lang or doesn't lie lang mismo sa government employee, sa mga government or high officials nga gapang corrupt. It also lies mismo sa voters. Why? Because we are a democratic country. We choose kung sino ang malid. We choose the leader. We choose the people that will govern us. But then, there are still last year gidya nga election, there's a lot of people nga very ignorant sa information. Hara na ginhatag na sila information, but they are very prideful and egoist to accept it because they believe nga kung ano ya ila nakasanayan amol na yang kamatuoran, which is I cannot argue that, and I also cannot blame them, but thankful ko sa akon nga generation subong ang Gen Z, because we are educated, we are open kung ano ang micro bala or nano pala sang way sang pag-govern sang government, kag we really voice out. We use the freedom of speech, everything that the citizens have the right to voice out ang concerns and also the injustice that we experience. And that's why may naganap ang rally sang September 2025, September 21, yun ang 2025. It is bangod sa muna. And I'm really proud of that. I don't know lang kung tani, I'm really wishing that our generation will change the government, hindi man literal nga i-change ang government, but the to change it for the better in a way nga hindi dihado hindi dihado kag mapunan gid ang public service nga dapat ginahatag sa citizens. That's all for today. Kag ang ining bagyo will be another eye-opening na naman to see kung gaano kaseryoso ang nagiging corruption, naging himo sa mga higher officials. The struggles that the Filipino faces when it comes sa mga disaster nga hindi man that is unavoidable. We will see on how the government will respond. Grabe ya. Kay miski may sakuna na, tapos tagaan labi sang budget para mapunan financially ang mga apektado nga Pilipino. Bala mo kung ano pagit ang ginaobra sang iban, they corrupt it, they put it in their pocket and just give us a little bit of portion sa kung anong dapat niara. It's unfair and unjustifiable, and as a Gen Z, as a new generation nga voters, we will definitely use our voice to voice out what is right for us. Kag bilang public administration student that nga ginatudlaan kami about sa kung ano gid bala ang essence ng public service when it comes sa mga citizens, we will definitely voice out man sa kung ano dapat right. it will not change it will not literally clean out or change everything. It's just that miski pa paano ibanan lang gid bala. Ibanan lang. Tama-tamaan lang. That's all for today. I was very emotional man towards the sining nga topic. It is because it also concerns me and the future that we are holding. It really concerns us. Gani be involved towards sa government nga happenings. So to, I was being ignorant when it comes sa happenings sa government kay bangod sa religion nga akon gina-studyhan sa to, because they believe they do not vote, they do not participate towards sa society, which is sige valid man para sila, pero citizens, pero may argument man ko a little bit of the conflict man bala sa mga towards sa mga taong wala gaboto. They are being, why sila ka participate, they don't know how serious it is nga hindi lang kami ang apektado kundi pati man sila. And it was really kind of unfair man if they are being ignorant and just believe with their own religious belief. I'm pretty kind of, they are being ignorant gid amo gid na kon mabalaan. They are not cooperating. Although wala man sila gawin mo sang kamo, pero amo na. Pero sige lang, may go gay man dabi ang politiko. Kag ila man na right. Pero it just really anger me. Sige lang. That's all for today. Michaela, continue to be more consistent sa pag video. You are doing well and congratulations because you're in your 62 day. We are aiming for 100 day. Kag kung mag 100 day goro, you're maedon no lang. Hindi ko lang dani pagplanuhan kay gusto ko madayon. That's all. No matter how you feel or what situation you're in, please prioritize this goal kay amo ni nga danang importante. Subuan ka bala. Tamad, there's a lot of things going on in and out. You are busy schedule ahead. Please kindly put that aside and prioritize this goal kay not only amo ni nga danang importante but also it really helps you a lot to grow, to be a better person. Continue walking forward, continue to speak with your truth. I'm very proud of you throughout sa almost 2 months ni mga progress. There's still a long way for you to go, but I'm glad that you're also challenging yourself and taking the risk. I'm hoping that you'll grow your confidence more. And that's all. You see the glimpse of the result and you know it's always gonna be worth it, and always finish what you start. That's all. Thank you.